Hello, welcome to Lasse Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own breakfast sausage seasoning. You can't get sausage meat in Sweden, so I'm just going to make my own. Carry on and I'll show you. Okay, so there's not much to it. I'm just going to show you what to mix. We're going to be using 2 pounds of ground pork. So I've got 2 teaspoons of dried sage, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. We've got 1/4 teaspoon dried marjoram, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and a pinch of cloves, which I took just a pinch of. I don't know how much that was. Just mix that in a bowl and then we're gonna make the sausage. Okay, so once the spices have been fully incorporated, you could probably use a spice grinder for this if you have one. That's much easier. I've used my fingers. It's taken like 3 minutes. The sugar didn't want to dissolve. In a bowl, I've added 2 pounds, more or less exactly actually today, 2 pounds of ground pork. I was gonna make my own, but it's only 8 o'clock in the morning and this is what I got. Just add the seasoning in there and use your hands to work it together. I'll bring it back. Okay, after working all the spices in there, I just shaped this with a parchment paper to the thickness of the sausage that I want, and I'm gonna roll it up, put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes to make it a little bit easier to slice, and then we're gonna try it. Okay, so just gonna cut this. Yeah, it's firmed up nicely. And shape it into a small patty. I want them to be quite thin. This is actually too large. I'm gonna make the other one smaller. And I'm gonna do that, and then I'll meet you over by the stove. There we go. They're all done. Yeah, they're not exactly the same size, but close enough. In a cast iron skillet, or any skillet really, but a cast iron skillet I'm using, melt the tablespoon of butter, and once that has fully melted, it's time to put these in. I'm gonna cook these on medium high. I don't want to go too high because I want them to cook through, because it's pork. And while these are cooking, we're gonna make some scrambled eggs. Very simple. I'll show you that as well. And there we go. Time to put these on. And then in another skillet, take half a tablespoon of butter, and once that's melted, we're going to add the egg mixture, which is 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, some salt and pepper, and 2/5 of a cup of grated cheese. I'm just going to move that slowly around there while these are cooking. This smells really, really nice. Bring it back in a bit. Once the egg is in there, just move it slowly around and then let it set. And this is on really low heat. I've got it on, I'm gonna have it on 5, I think. 5 out of 14, just to let this set very slowly. Okay, so these have been cooking for a few minutes. Let's see what they look like. Flip that over. I think that looks perfect. I'm gonna flip them all over and then I'll bring it back in a bit. There we go. Time to put these in the oven and put the other batch on. In the meantime, over here, the eggs are starting to set. Just moving them around a little bit. They're almost done as well. That's good. Okay, there we go. Homemade sausage with toast and some scrambled eggs. Let's try the sausage. I did wonder what was gonna give it the specific sausage flavor, and I think it's the cloves actually. That was pretty good. As you saw, very easy to make. Try it, and if you do, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye.